You wanted mayonnaise, avocado oil, salt, vinegar, mustard, ground mustard, an egg, and some lemon. So what you're gonna start off with is 1 egg. Need half a teaspoon ground mustard, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of vinegar, and then 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, as close as I can get it in there. Take your immersion blender and you're gonna start and what you want to do is so you just keep doing it until you end up with mayonnaise. Then you can just close the lid, throw it in the fridge, use it on your sandwiches, and it don't have all that crud in it. Now you can make your sandwich just like mayonnaise, huh?
Yep.
Same thing.
There it is.